Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tactical Expedition. Today I want to do a comparison video of stock paper air filter versus TRD oiled air filter. A couple months ago I installed this genuine TRD cold air intake system, and I did my own install. You can see the other video about this install, but I also purchased a TRD oil air filter, and it worked great. The sound is great, but people always mention that they are just going to use the paper air filter from Toyota instead of using the full system of using the oil TRD air filter. So I want to compare the sound and the noise and my feelings of the acceleration, and just my experience, and I'll share with you. So it's holding up great. So there's latch here, there's a latch in the back right here. I don't know if this thing actually works. I can't see this thing going down, but maybe I don't know what's going on, but everything is stock, and I want to do something here, and maybe put a compressor or a secondary battery in this empty spot. Anyways, so that's the overall. Okay, and soon I'll be changing the tires to BF Goodrich KO2s. So, okay. So currently I have a paper air filter in the cold air intake system because I had to do cleaning of this oil air filter. So I bought a K&N cleaning kit and cleaned it and oiled it at the same time. Okay, so today is November 4th, and the temperature is still 81 degrees. The weather is perfect. A lot of people are wearing short sleeve t-shirts. I know some other areas it's super cold or snowing or raining, but in California, weather is really great. Maybe that's why we pay the ridiculous tax. Anyway, so I will put all the windows up. Sorry. And this is just going slowly. Okay, it's just super quiet. So from here, I'm flooring it. Okay, so there's a little bit of a rumble, and it is a lot louder than the stock airbox, but there's a definite difference between the TRD oiled air filter versus stock paper air filter. And even the pull that I feel, it's muted and it's restricted, and it's very hard to describe. Maybe it's just in my brain that is slower and weaker, but anyway, so here's another. And then once I take my foot off the gas, it is super slow, or I'm sorry, it's super quiet. So that's the good thing about these cold air intake system. Unlike installing a muffler or exhaust, this thing just noise goes away. But once you floor it, you will feel the difference. So Now I'll show you with the windows down once light turns green. But it's about sunset time. It's about 5 p.m. and sky's turning orange and purple, and California is pretty relaxing, but it is just a lot of ridiculous gun laws and I don't know. So a lot of people are retiring out of. Anyways, windows down. Okay, so I don't know you guys caught that noise, but it is a lot louder than the stock air filter. So if you're considering if you should upgrade to TRD cold air intake system or any other cold air intake system, I say it's definitely worth the money, whatever it is. I think it cost me about $300 to $400, and it was a simple install. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change out to the oiled TRD air filter and compare the sound. Okay, all right, I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome back. So I have installed the TRD oiled air filter, and this is the sound now. Sound is pretty loud, but then the pull that I feel, it's a lot more free. I don't know if that's a minuscule change, but I can definitely feel it though. And I will film when I'm on the freeway. Okay, so this is from the start. There's a lot more noise at the end. It's hard to describe.